Hello my dear friends, I'm Marina Malik and this is our tatting lesson number 3. In this lesson we will learn how to make tatting chains. It's tatting chain, it's a basic tatting element. Here you can see it. We use tatting chains to connect tatting rings one to each other. So let's start. To make tatting chain you will need 2 tatting shuttles and of course thread. I have taken such thick crochet thread. It's thick for tatting. Of course, in your works, when you will learn how to make tatting chains and rings, you will use much more thinner thread. But now in this video, I will use such thick one. And for practice, you also may take such kind of crochet yarn to make it easier to make first steps in tatting. So let's start. So here we got 2 tatting shuttles, and first of all I will connect them for making a simple knot. You may not do this, but with this first knot it will be easier to start. So as you remember, when we are going to make a tatting ring, we take only 1 shuttle and place our thread around our fingers, something like this. But if we are going to make a chain, we need to place our first thread this way, not finishing it in ring, just like this, and we are putting our tatting shuttle away and take another one. And now let's start. Now we're just making tatting double stitches. Half of the tatting double stitch and another part of tatting double stitch. So let's make 10 such tatting double stitches. So when you have finished making tatting double stitches, now we need to pull them to the beginning slowly, like this, and we will get such arc. It's the ideal tatting chain. If now you want to make a ring, we should turn our work over and continue with this pink thread. So I put it around my hand because I'm going to make a tatting ring and start making tatting double stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, let's make 10 tatting double stitches. And now let's close our ring. And if you want to make another chain, now you just turn your work over again and start making another tatting chain. Just place the thread again around your little finger like this and put it away. Take second shuttle and start working 10 tatting double stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't forget to pull it slowly in the beginning, and that's all. Tatting chain